Good morning. My name is Jeremy Larson. I am a senior product manager at Viewpoint, and my responsibility is over our construction operations solution. So I'm excited to talk to you just briefly today about kind of our direction and how we're thinking about things in terms of construction operations and how technology is allowing us to bring you solutions to make you more efficient. And it's, going third here, it's been, none of us have really talked at all as vendors, but we obviously are listening, and that's one of my primary jobs is to get out and listen to the market and specifically around construction operations to listen. So you'll see a common theme, I think, as I talk through these next few slides. Prior to coming to Toronto, I spent 2 days in Ohio with one of our general contractors, and spent full 2 days talking about their operational processes and how they're looking to gain efficiencies. And as we were having that discussion, I was reflecting how well it mapped to what I was going to be talking to you about. And we talked about the challenges that they were facing, and what it really did come down to was about their challenges was about capturing information, and then more importantly, providing that information that they capture out to those team members and stakeholders that need to take action on that information. Information is only useful, one, if it provides you the data in a timely manner, and if it's captured. There's a lot going on the site and in the offices and in your project team's offices, in the job trailers, all that information that's being captured, and there's all kinds of it, provide ways to make better decisions if provided to you in a streamlined manner to devices. As the gentleman spoke earlier, mobile has changed the way buildings are being presented and put together, and a lot of that is data capture and presentation. So how can we get better information in so better information out is capable? And demands are more and more. As you get a younger workforce involved, they want technology to capture information and what they're seeing, and pictures are a big part of this. And you have owners that have stronger demands on you as well. They want to see information now, not just at the end, but all the way through from conception through pre-construction, construction, and handover. And it's really important to be able to meet that. That's becoming a competitive advantage to be able to offer those types of services in different ways. But we're not there yet by any means. Information still remains on somebody's laptop in somebody's Excel spreadsheet that if unfortunately they got hit by a bus, you wouldn't be able to ever get access to it, right? So we have a long ways to go here. And this is typically the information that gets handed over. It's in boxes that never get looked at once they're in somebody's closet or attic. So along the same line as some that you've heard in the last couple of presentations, we really see the solution or the way our vision is taking us into a common data environment, a single place where this information can be captured and stored and reviewed, and so decisions can be made. And we feel that BIM is going to be at the center of this, the thread. All right, so if you can think about relationships of all of your systems, the contractor that I was on site with had 18 different operational systems that they were using to capture information and get the information out. How they get and tie those things together is going to be the key, and while I don't use the word interoperability in this presentation, it is about interoperability. How do we get those systems to talk to each other and bring that data into the common data environment? Single store of information that you can then capture all of the processes and all of the data and all of the observations from your project teams and internal teams into a single store. And then at the end, obviously being able to hand that off to your client, your customer. Imagine being able to say, I don't have a handover for you because you already have access to it all. You've had access to it the whole time. Here's your keys. Go ahead and download that, or import or export that to your FM system. That's where we're going in our vision, and being able to bring all of this data and systems together. Thank you.